Welcome back. I got a few bikes. And let's say you want to do a bit of work on these bikes. What do? You go on to Amazon and buy yourself a cheap Chinese bike stand, like this one. And I'll be honest with you, it's a heap of junk. These little rubber things fall off, they're tearing apart. Setting up the legs is a pain in the neck. The feet don't work properly, and if you get the bike in the wrong spot, it can tip over. It really is a piece of crap. This is not what you want. So we'll get rid of this. Okay. Now, there are lots of really good bike maintenance stands out there. The trouble is a lot of them are very expensive. I was looking at one recently that was around $650. And that was US dollars, by the way, not Australian. I then started hunting around, and I wasn't prepared to pay that sort of money. And I discovered a brand, and it's obviously a Chinese brand, and I can't remember. The model is actually an abbreviated series of letters, which I'll put up on the screen now, and I'll give you details on the screen. Got it from Amazon, and this is the actual the model number that they use. And it was $139, and I am absolutely wrapped in it, and I'm going to grab it now and bring it over, and we're going to show you. So here it is. Now, just as a matter, actually, I just suddenly realised the numbers here are CXWXC. But as I said, I'll put that up on the screen. What's so good about this is that, let's break it down. Now, unlike that other cheap piece of crap, it can, if you undo that, you can actually have that lying in the back of your car. Lock that up if you want to, and then take it out. It's not very heavy, nice and lightweight. You whip it out. It's got a clamp here that clamps that, and now you have yourself a high quality bike stand. Now, first off, the first iteration, or the first observation, is that the feet go out at an angle, and from a geometry point of view, that is so much more secure than that other stand. So that's the first thing. Secondly, the clamp head itself, very strong plastic, very robust. You have this threaded clamp, and you can actually clamp using that. We have these rubbers here, and if you actually look here, you'll see where the rubber prongs come through that I was talking about earlier. And you can replace this rubber section if this ever wears out. But that's well secured, and the rubber is very thick. So I doubt whether that would cause a problem. The rubber is also very soft, so it's not going to scratch your bike. One of the other features I love about this is not just the fact that it's a solid head, but you have this functionality here where you can turn it around and to put wherever you want, whatever angle, whatever. We'll put that back up there, you pull that lever down and it locks. Now to unlock it, you literally, that and that goes out like that. That clamps and then that locks. So that can't, you have to pull that up to unlock it. So if you want to raise this up and down, you just literally unlock and up it comes. Clamp it up again, and you can have it very high. And then conversely, you undo the clamp and just let it drop down to wherever you want it. And now when you want to fold the legs up, undo that. Hey presto, there you go. And there you have it, one neat little package. You can stow away or put in the back of your car and take it with you. We have a tool tray on the other end, on the other side here, with positions to put all your tools, which is really good. But the most important thing, is it rated for e-bikes? Now, they don't outright say that they're used for e-bikes, but they are rated for 35 kilogram weight. Now, the Scott is 26 kilos. Both Volitions are around the 22, 20, you know. Anyway, they're under what this is rated at. So I'm just going to show you now. I'm going to literally put the I'll put the Scott up first, and we'll show you how it all works. Now, please note that I have the battery in. And the other thing, this is actually quite low. This is another aspect about this which I really like. So we'll come back to this, and I can rotate this to roughly what I want on the angle to that. Lock it in. So I'm now set up to do work on the front wheel here. I could take the wheel off, take this down, check the brakes, bleed the brakes, do whatever I want. There we go. Now, let's try something else. So as you can see, that is now quite secure. On that, I can go down through my gears, do whatever work I want to do, and then when I'm finished, I like this feature. Undo the clamp here, lower that down, and then better undo this a bit. And there you go. I can wheel the bike away. So, we'll do this up again. Let's put the Volition up. The Dingo. Might just straighten it up a little bit. Okay. There we go. You have the Volition. Dingo. Okay. We can do some work on this. I have a tray here. I can put tools around the tray. I can put bits and pieces, screws, nuts, whatever I'm working on here. It's neat, it's clean. I can do whatever I want, and it holds the weight of these e-bikes. So as I said, I'm impressed. And if you just want to work on the back part alone, okay, so again, if you want to do some work on this and the motor and the gearing, okay, without bringing the whole bike up, you can do it this way. It really is a fantastic little piece of kit, and I would highly recommend that you get one, no matter what type of bike you got. It's well designed, it's strong, and it caters for all types of e-bikes and whatever you want to do with it. So just don't buy one of these other pieces of crap. So let's do a comparison. Look at that. That rubber just fell off then. Don't buy a piece of crap like this. Buy yourself something like this. Right? I'm really impressed. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.